Repurpose your podcast into stunning YouTube videos and explode your audience in minutes. First, choose your podcast episode to convert to a video, then go to your Buzzsprout dashboard or use an external tool. Note that using Buzzsprout might require a higher tier plan. Buzzsprout offers a few options. You can export the audio and edit it in a video editor, like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Pro, then add images and customize them. Alternatively, use Buzzsprout's basic tools. Some plans let you add a static image or your show's artwork. Even a waveform visualizer that moves with audio, which is great for engagement. Once the video is complete, optimize it for YouTube. Write a strong title, create a striking thumbnail, and write a clear description with relevant keywords and the full podcast episode. Finally, publish the video and watch your reach grow. Repurposing your podcast episodes extends your content's life, attracts new audiences, and diversifies distribution for maximum visibility. #content repurposing #video marketing.